So hopefully you can see this. Got 5 gallons of fresh hydraulic oil in the tank. I've got the filter pickup all cleaned, assembled, and put together. A little bit of a pain, but I got her. Now I am just basically draining the diff and oil clutch. This holds 3.9 gallons of 80/90 weight, so that's what I'm doing now. Didn't look too bad, and I think we're pretty much at the mark. I was hoping it was low, which might you know, give me an indication of why I don't have too much clutch. That the fluid was low, and that's why it was acting the way it is. So we'll see. Maybe with fresh fluid at the correct level, maybe that'll help. If not, then it may be something with I don't know, pressure module or something. I'm not exactly sure, but just figured I'd give you an update. Cylinder's getting rebuilt now, so that is cool. The chrome all looked good, and the seals are getting replaced. We are able to find a kit. I can't remember how much it was, so hopefully next day or two we'll get the cylinder in and get this wrapped up. Well, hey everybody, it's time for part 2 of the forklift repair. I got Sage here with me, and we finally got the cylinder done. It's been a nightmare trying to get the correct seals and everything we needed for this, since it is so old, and it seems to be somewhat of a transition from standard sizes and metric sizes. So I'll let Sage give you the rundown.
Best way I can explain it, you're looking at 3 different kits right here, and mixed bits from each one of them. These actually fit the main cylinder. These fit the secondary one, and all these that were supposed to be specific for this, none of it worked at all. Not even the same style bands or anything. It's been a trip.
So the good news is I think we finally got it together, and she should work. The rods look good, and we just had to do a little bit of honing. So fingers crossed, once we get this puppy in, she'll work. So that's what we're going to do. The weather is a little bit overcast, and of course, Mr. Cass is over there talking to us, but hang on and follow along. Alright guys, well, we just got wrapped up. Cylinder's in. I've been keeping an eye on it, so don't think it's leaking, so that is good. The only minor oops that we had is when we put it back together, we thought we had the rotation exactly right, but on this like overflow port right there, hopefully you guys can see that right there, you can see she's rubbing on the back of that plate. I've indexed that plate somewhat with a plasma cutter and doing a die grinder to get it to clear, so right now she just kind of rubs. Like I said, we thought we had the right orientation. It'd be better if it was a little bit over here, but it'll clear. So let me fire this thing up. Away she goes, and watch when she hits the second stage, she doesn't piss oil like she used to. That is killer. So boink, there we go. Look at that. Looks good up there. That's seal looks good. Yeah. Awesome sauce. We got us a good working forklift now with a mass that doesn't leak. So pretty tickled there. So hope you guys enjoyed the build. If you have a old Hyster like this, then you kind of know what you're going to have to go through to keep her going and running. If you're curious, the rebuild ran me about $500 at the cylinder rebuild shop. Another couple $100 for seals, because as Sage mentioned, we had to kind of piecemeal and, you know, order to separate this and that and whatnot. The universal kits didn't fit, so you know, it is what it is dealing with this old stuff. So hey, thanks for watching, thanks for following along. If you like this kind of stuff, hit that subscribe button, I'd appreciate it. And until the next video, take care guys.